In 2017, there were a number of really bad forest fires. There was a fire close to our home in the mountains of Santa Cruz. We were evacuating our family. Smoke is everywhere, ash is falling. I'm packing up my children to leave. After that fire, I reached out to experts in the field, and I learned the future of firefighting is unmanned systems. Parallel Flight Technologies is a company built with the mission to use unmanned systems to save lives, property, and the environment. The technology that we've developed enables unmanned systems to fly longer and carry more payload than any other technology currently available. Our system combines the responsiveness of the electric motors of a drone with the power and duration of a combustion engine. And the result is a drone that can fly almost 10 times longer than an electric drone, 4 times longer than the other type of hybrid drones when carrying a heavy payload. So it's really totally new for the industry. Heavy payload and long duration combined into a single system. What we've come up with is really a general solution that can be used for a lot of different industries. We're starting with fire because it's a very, very critical need.
Aerial firefighting has been shown to be a very effective way of making forward progress. However, air operations are difficult to conduct, dangerous to conduct.
Manned systems can only fly during daylight hours in clear conditions. They can't fly at night, they can't fly when there's smoke inversions. So we'll be able to fill in those gaps.
A lot of these fires take place in remote areas. We use gel to protect structures. There's only so much of it that we can carry with us. That would be a perfect example of how this unmanned aerial system would be able to bring large amounts of additional gel, maintain the supply of equipment, bring water to the fire, increase safety for the personnel. It changes our ability to fight the fire 24 hours a day.
My background is in powertrain systems. I developed the electrical architecture for the Tesla Semi Truck.
Joshua and I worked together at Tesla, and I saw him do a lot of things at Tesla that were impossible, and he made them possible. So I thought if there's anyone who can really introduce something new to the industry, it's definitely him.
My other co-founders bring robotics experience, machine vision, and control systems to the table. The value proposition for parallel flight is beyond just the fire application. There's agricultural applications, ship to shore, remote logistics, bringing things to remote villages up in Alaska or other places like that. It opens up a whole new world of possibilities for unmanned systems.
I immediately realized that this was a game changer. The response from my field is incredibly positive. It's really an imperative that we find new solutions. And I really strongly believe that this drone is one of those solutions.
The mission is exciting. The technology is also exciting. At the end of the day, it's not just about making some cool technology. We know that it's going to have a big impact in people's lives.